Concept 3, applying the density property of real numbers. All right, the density property of real numbers basically just says that if you're looking at a number line or any two real numbers, there's going to be a number between them. Okay? And the way you can find out what one of those numbers is you add the two together, your two numbers, and then you divide by 2. Okay, you're basically getting the mean of those two numbers. Okay, so 1 plus 2 equals 3. Divide by 2. 3 divided by 2 is 1 and 1/2. Okay, so here's my new number at 1 and 1/2. All right, but I can keep going with that. I could say, okay, I want a number between 1 and 1/2 and 2. Well, I'm going to have 3 and 1/2, or 7 halves. If I divide that by 2, basically going to divide by 2 or multiply by 1 over 2. Okay, so I have my 7 over 2, keep, change, flip. Okay, now I'm going to have 7 over 4, and it's going to be halfway between. Okay, 7/4. You can't hardly read. Okay, and I could keep going. I could do 7/4 to 2. Well, that's going to be another, let's see, another 11, oh, sorry, 15 fourths divided by 2, that'd be 15/8. And you can see that you're basically just going to keep increasing that denominator, making it larger and larger, getting closer and closer. But you can go on basically, well, you can go on forever. There's always going to be a number between those two numbers.